Yeah, so outside trying to adjust the emergency brakes on the old F250 so I can finally get it inspected. And yeah, they weren't wanting to adjust. I'm like, man, what's going on? So let me show you. So I'm over here. This is the passenger side, and actually this one is in a little bit better condition, but you can see the backer plate. So where my finger's at, it's actually where the pin is supposed to go that holds the shoes in. It's like a little retainer clip that holds those into place, and then this is your little lever, right? So if I come over here to the top, so this is the cable that goes to the foot pedal, right? And then this is actually supposed to, the lever is supposed to move. This one frozen shut on this side, so I'm gonna have to order basically all of this, everything. I'm gonna have to take the axles out, both sides, and I'm gonna show you. So the other side, basically the same, a little worse than this one. And then come look at the shoes. So this one, the shoes actually fell off of everything. So see, this is that little pin that holds everything in, right? Basically right here at the hole. And that's the little adjuster that you adjust from the back side. That way it makes this open up, okay, and or close to help with adjustment for tightness. And then this one, so that's that little arm that I told you is stuck. So this is supposed to move freely. Yeah, that one's stuck. It doesn't move at all. So yeah, this is what I've been dealing with today. So yeah, good times. All right, so luckily Dorman actually makes a product to where it's fully assembled. That way all I have to do is take off basically the 4 bolts to the axle and basically pull everything out. So, but to be able to get that whole back plate off and to be able to do all that, like I said, I have to pull the axles out. That way I can bolt that new assembly in, get the axles back in, right, all that good stuff. So it is a little easier doing it as the full assembly. So far I've only found the left one. I'm still looking online trying to find the right one, the right side. And yeah, it's not really what I want to be spending my money on right now, because I don't really have the money for this, since we're trying to be doing other things. And man, when she rains, she pours. But that's all right. I mean, this truck's cost me nothing but money and heartache since I've owned it. And I guess one of these days she'll get put together and actually be a good running truck. So yeah, now I gotta go find this other part. But thank y'all for letting me rant, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. But we'll get her back together. Yeah. See y'all.